You asked how to divide 4,494 by 6 using the long division method. 4 is too small. Use 44. 44 divided by 6 equals 7. 7 times 6 equals 42. 44 minus 42 equals 2. Bring down 9, making 29. 29 divided by 6 equals 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. 29 minus 24 equals 5. Bring down 4, making 54. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. 9 times 6 equals 54. 54 minus 54 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 749.